Much of the plastic we use in our daily lives gets washed down stormwater drains or blown by the wind and eventually ends up in the ocean. So now we're getting into the problem of waste. Plastic bags, cigarette lighters, toothbrushes, golf balls, printer cartridges. About 3.5 million pieces of plastic are dumped in the ocean every day, and the UN estimates that every square kilometre of ocean now contains more than 18,000 pieces of floating plastic. The prevailing currents and eddies move it about until large amounts accumulate in 5 huge ocean garbage patches around the planet. One of these is known as the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Recent research suggests that it's larger than the whole of Australia.
This is a huge problem for birds and fish, as they can't distinguish the small degrading pieces of plastic from their usual food sources. So they eat them until their stomachs are filled with plastic, and then they die. One mutton bird on Lord Howe Island was found to have 15% of its body mass being plastic. That's like us walking around with over 10 kilograms of plastic in our stomach. Plastic contains many chemicals from its own manufacture, but it also acts like a sponge in the ocean, soaking up toxic elements. It can become hundreds of times more toxic than the surrounding sea. But it's not only a problem for marine life. As everything is connected, the effects of all that plastic come back to haunt us as well. Those same toxins enter our own food chain and accumulate inside us.